Shalom YouTube. I wanted to make a video, a bio about myself so you guys could get a vibe of who I am, what I'm about, what is my mission. My main mission is to connect you to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's it. I just want to be that person to show you the door and you can walk on through. You know, I wasn't raised observant. I was very, very secular when I was growing up in Parkland, Florida, born and raised. And I didn't know what it meant to be a Jew. I was proud to be a Jew. I'm like, yeah, I'm Jewish. I didn't practice it though. And what I realized, what I was missing is my tradition, the teachings of my sages, of our ancestors. And, you know, I was raised spiritual. I always believed in God. That was easy for me. I didn't know God had time for me. I thought he was always busy. But when I went on birthright when I was 20, I fell in love with this holy land. I even said to my best friend who was on the trip with me, I'm going to live here. And I did. You know, I went back from birthright with a whole new perspective on life. I found out my ancestor was a great Kabbalist. I mean, there's a few Abulafias out there, but the main one, Avram Abulafia, he was a big Kabbalist. You could look him up on Google. Rabbi Ari Kaplan has a whole section on him in meditation and Kabbalah, and it blew my mind. And so I bought all these books, and I tried all these different meditation techniques, and I started having the most spiritual experiences, outer body experiences. My dreams were epic. And I could feel that God is trying to get closer to me. So that's what I did. I went on this journey. I'm still on the journey. And he brought me to New York for a little while. I found out what a yeshiva was. And then I went to Eshet Torah in Jerusalem for a few years. I fell in love with that place. But I always felt this pull, this desire to go back to Sfat, the city of Kabbalah. Now, there's 4 holy cities. There's Sfat, which represents air. There's Tiberias, or Tiberia in Hebrew, which is water. It's right on the Sea of Galilee, the Kinneret. There's the city of fire, which is Jerusalem, and you could really feel the fire there. And there's Hebron, and that represents earth, and that's where our patriarchs and matriarchs are buried. You know, earth, right in the earth. And you could really, it's very grounding energy there. So I felt this need to go back to Sfat, and yeah, I'm still here. I've been in Sfat for about 10 years now. I've learned so much Torah from the most amazing tzaddikim I've ever met in my life. They're like angelic. I have a few different rabbis, and every rabbi is special in their own way. But I decided I need to become a rabbi, and obviously I'm not a huge rabbi. I wouldn't even consider myself a Kabbalist. You know, I'm inspired by them. I just want to simplify their teachings and make it practical for you and spread it worldwide. And I'm telling you, if you listen just to one of these free 10-minute meditations, you will feel a lot better. You'll have more clarity. You'll feel grounded, open to receive the blessings from God. I made this YouTube channel for you guys, so you could have access to holy 10-minute, quick, easy meditations that you could just jump into it, meditate, feel good, elevate, and then go on with your day. If you want more, you could go on nas.io/Abulafia Meditation, and there we have a crash course. We have one-on-one sessions going on. I'm going to create, God willing, group learning sessions as well. And join the community. We have a WhatsApp where I just give holy content throughout the week. We have affirmations, meditations, we have holy discussions. So join subscribe to this channel, Abulafia Meditation. Reach out to me, DM me, and follow me on Instagram. That's where I pump out a lot of fun, amazing free content as well. And looking forward to connecting with you guys. All the blessings, and God willing, we'll see peace in this world. We're going to create it through our intention, through our love. Many blessings, and come visit Israel.